Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to increase your RAM size without buying new RAM in Windows 11 and 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, power on your computer and wait until your Windows 11 system completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully booted before moving forward with this process. Once your PC is ready and running smoothly, navigate to your Windows Start menu, which you'll find located on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on the Start menu icon to open it up. From there, type in Run in the search field and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Run dialog box, which is a quick access tool for various system settings and commands. In the Run dialog box that appears, you'll need to type in sysdm.cpl and then press Enter. This command opens up the System Properties window, which gives you access to important configuration settings for your computer. Once the System Properties window opens, direct your attention to the tabs at the top and click on Advanced. This tab contains performance-related settings that we need to adjust. Now, look for a section labeled Performance and you'll see a Settings button right there. Go ahead and click on it. This opens the Performance Options window, which controls how your system allocates resources. Once this window appears, click on the Advanced tab again. You'll notice a section called Virtual Memory toward the bottom of this window. This is exactly what we need to modify to increase your effective RAM capacity. Click on the Change button to access the virtual memory settings. A virtual memory settings window will now appear on your screen. The first thing you need to do here is remove the checkmark from the option that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. This checkbox prevents you from customizing and manually adjusting the RAM allocation for your Windows 11 computer, so disabling it is essential for this process to work. Once you've disabled that automatic management option, click on the Custom Size Radio button. You'll immediately see two fields activate below it, one labeled Initial Size and another labeled Maximum Size, both measured in megabytes. For the Initial Size field, enter the exact RAM value that's recommended for your system. This is typically displayed right there in the window as a suggested amount based on your current hardware configuration. Now for the Maximum Size field, simply double the value you entered for the initial size. This ensures your system has enough virtual memory to handle demanding tasks without running into performance issues. After you've entered both values correctly, click on the OK button to save your changes. Your system will now use this custom virtual memory allocation, effectively increasing your available RAM without requiring any physical hardware upgrades. And that's it. You've successfully increased your RAM size using virtual memory settings in Windows 11 and 10. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.